Morning, guys. You just finished a tutorial video in which you drew the toy block here that you see on the screen in front of you. And I'm just here with this video to show you how and what I would like you to turn in. So what we're going to do is we're going to kind of take a screenshot of this, and this is what you can submit to Classroom. But there's a couple things I want to show you before we do that. So if we go over here and hit this little drop down area, we see the bodies. We'll open that. And the sketches again, right? And what I want you to do is just, if you click on this body right here, your whole block turns blue, and that's what I want you to do. And then we'll go over here and we'll right click on the same thing where it says body. And what we want to do then is go down to properties and select that. So that's a left click on properties. And this little window should pop up. Okay, and that's what we want to use to turn in. So then while this is still selected, leave that alone. Your bodies over here, the properties will describe the properties of this body, right? The area is this, the volume is this. And this right here is what I'm going to use to grade your thing. So instead of having to put dimensions all over it, I'm going to be able to use this for now, okay? So leave this open and go down here to this window. And we're going to go back to our snipping tool. In case you haven't done that before, you just go down here and you start typing snipping. Okay, and then in this, you have a bunch of different options. You can use whatever you want. I like to use the rectangle tool and then select new. I go up there and I'm just going to drag a window down and make sure that it gets at least the block that I drew. Okay. This window's a little big. I'm going to try to shrink it some. Sorry about the bell. So make sure that your window gets the block and the properties thing right here, okay? And then I'm going to go to File, Save As. You can put it wherever you'd like. I recommend putting it to Downloads. If this window does not pop up for you, that means that it's most likely automatically going to the Downloads folder. Okay, I'm going to name mine Grady toy block screenshot, hit save, and then that thing, that snip I just took of that screenshot, that is what we are going to be turning in for this assignment. All right, thank you.